Hey guys, so today I'm here at our Airbnb. This is the first time we rented our unit for Airbnb, and as I walked in, I didn't know what I'm going to be in for, so I expected for the worst. I expected for this place to be a disaster, and when I came in, this is what I saw. Basically, the place looked even cleaner than when we got this, then when we gave it to them. So look, to all the landlords and investors out there, don't think when you're giving your place out to people in Airbnb that they're gonna come and crash your house and they're gonna come and damage your property. As a matter of fact, they'll probably take better care of it than a long-term rental, because a long-term rental, they feel more entitled to live in your house and kind of like getting the best of it, right? But look at this. So they even made the beds. So does that mean every tenant, every guest is going to be like this? No. But if you do this right and you screen your tenants and you give them good service, right? This is how they'll leave your place. Like pretty much like the way you give it to them. And not only that, look at this. They left the place almost the way we give it to them. No garbage. And here's the best part, right? They give you a 5-star review, thank you, and then give you this, write this for you. In our book. So I would say that's mission accomplished. And for all of you out there who think Airbnb doesn't work, think again. All right? We'll talk more about this soon.